patience. We have two weapons for this administration. We have two weapons for this administration, our voices and our bodies, and we're here using them today. My name is Melody, and I'm a DACA recipient since 2015. I'm from Guatemala. I came here when I was 9 years old, and I grew up in Koreatown, so this is my city. I have the privilege of representing the largest network of undocumented students, workers, and allies in the West Coast, Chila's California Dream Network, and it's my privilege to carry them wherever I go. We are here today because today is the day that has been talked about for half a year. We are here today because of the cruel end of DACA exactly 6 months ago. We are here today because once again, we are pushed to defend our immigrant community from this administration white supremacist tactics. And I'm gonna call it how it is. Their agenda is filled with hatred, and their agenda is filled with people who look like me. But I'm here telling this administration with all the people behind me, we're here and we're here to stay. We are also here today because of the silence of this Congress, the silence that is deafening, and because we believe all our voices will continue drowning their hate. The solution for us has been clear, and we have yelled it at the top of our lungs in September. Pass a Clean Dream Act for the undocumented youth who have DACA and for those who didn't qualify for DACA. This does not mean we're forgetting about our TPS recipients or our immigrant families. It's what's on the table, and it's what we have been fighting for almost 2 decades. And we're asking to be treated no more like second-class citizens, but as the human, dignified beings that we are. I'm here today because I have seen the actions taken by the youth. My hands have shaken when I have gone to Washington, D.C. I have seen people who are in my same situation getting arrested because of the cause they believe in. I have seen people putting their bodies on the line, doing fasting, doing hunger strikes with their bodies. My eyes have seen what the youth can do. My eyes have seen what a unified resistance we are. And my eyes have also seen the hatred of this administration when I attended the State of the Union in January. And I'm here as a message to all of you that this administration is nothing like we think of it. This administration is beyond anything we can imagine. And we need to come out not just today, but for the next 3 years. So today, we have the speakers to continue telling you to resist, and to all the people who are listening who are not here today, join us. For our first speaker, we have our DACA recipient and steering member of the California Dream Network, Itayu.
Hi everyone, my name is Itayu, and I came to the U.S. from Mexico at 6 months. I'm a DACA recipient since 2015. I am 19 years old. I am in my second year of college, double majoring in political science and international relations. And today we gather to demand President Trump to support a Clean Dream Act. We are not bargaining chips for any political agenda. We are human beings with human rights. And so, as such, we are here, ready and willing to demand America that we too are part of this great nation.
That's right.
The time to do something is now. We must continue to fight for what is right, and we must fight not only for ourselves, but also for our 11 million undocumented brothers and sisters and our immigrant community. We refuse to be in constant fear of our families being separated and our dreams being crushed. I am proud, we are proud to stand up and say no more hate and no more ignorance. Thank you. Hola, mi nombre es Itayu. Ha tenido DACA desde el 2015. Tengo 19 años. Vine a los Estados Unidos cuando tenía 6 meses de México. Estoy en mi segundo año de colegio estudiando ciencia política y internacional también. Hoy estamos reunidos para exigirle al presidente Trump para apoyar un acta de sueño ahorita. Nosotros no somos pedazos de negocios para su agenda. Somos seres humanos con derechos humanos. Estamos aquí listos y dispuestos a recordarles a los Estados Unidos que nosotros somos parte de esta nación también. Ahorita es el momento de luchar, debemos pelear y exigir para lo que es justo y correcto. Debemos luchar por no solo nosotros, pero para los 11 millones de hermanos y hermanas indocumentados, para nuestra comunidad inmigrante. La lucha va a seguir y no los vamos a vencer. Gracias.